So in this Wealthsimple tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to limit buy Uniswap, ticker symbol UNI, in Canada here on Wealthsimple. So once you're here into the Wealthsimple app, make sure to go into your crypto account. Then once you're in your crypto account, go to the bottom left here and press on the magnifying glass. Then when you're on this screen, simply just scroll down. You might be on this screen right here. Simply just scroll down to where it says trending categories and press on crypto. Then under the crypto tab, just scroll all the way down until you come across Uniswap or UNI, which is right here. So this pink logo with the unicorn, where it says UNI, press on Uniswap right there, press on buy. Then once you're on this screen, if you want to change it from a market buy into a limit buy, go to the top, press on market buy, and then change it over to a limit buy. So by limit buying, you're choosing the highest price per coin you're willing to pay. So I'll press on limit buy right there. Now in this screen, type in the amount of money that you're most comfortable paying. So if UNI price as of right now is $7.36, if I'm only comfortable paying $7.25, for example, I'll type in $7.25 and then press continue. Then when you're on this screen, simply just type in however much money you want to invest. So I'll just do $1 for this example. I'll press on continue. Now to confirm your purchase, just go to the bottom and press on confirm order. And then by the end of the day, if it ever does reach $7.25 or whatever price that you set, it'll then buy it automatically. And that is how you guys can limit buy Uniswap, ticker symbol UNI in Canada here on Wealthsimple. I hope this video helped.